Next problem. Find the value of k if the lines joining the horizon to the point of intersection of the curve and the line are mutually perpendicular. What is the difference between this problem and before the problem? In the before problem they are asking the angles only. Yes. Here in this problem, find the value of k if the lines are mutually perpendicular. Okay. If the lines are perpendicular means already we know that condition. What is that condition? Coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square is equal to 0. We are using that condition. We are finding the k value. Okay. First of all, this equation is converted into homogeneous equation. From that we get a, b and 2h values. Up to that process is same for all problems. Okay. First we take the homogenization. Given curve is 2x square minus 2xy plus 3y square plus 2x minus 5 minus 1 equal to 0. This is equation 1. Okay, this equation is taken as this non-homogeneous equation. And given line, and one more line is given, that is given line is x plus 2y is equal to k. Yes, this k is a transfer this side. This is a 1 into k. Actually this k is taken to this side divided by k. That implies x plus 2y divided by k is equal to 1. This equation is taken as equation 2. Okay. Homogenizing equation 1 with respect to equation 2. Okay. That implies homogenizing equation 1 with respect to equation 2. Homogenizing equation 1 with respect to equation 2. Now homogenizing equation 1, that implies 2x square. This equation is 2x square minus 2xy plus 3y square. Up to this is taken as is directly. Here 2x plus 2x means here power is only 1 only. We are adding one more power, that is 1 power 1 minus y into here also we have 1 power, we are adding one more power, that is 1 power 1 minus 1 into here there is no extra term, so there is no power, so we are adding 1 power 2. Okay, that is equal to 0. Now it becomes 2 1 plus 1 2 1 plus 1 2, here also 2. So this is a homogeneous equation. But 1 is equal to what? From the second equation, x plus 2y by 2. Substitute here in this. That implies 2x square minus 2xy plus 3y square plus 2x into what is 1? 1 is equal to x plus 2y by 2. Substitute here. X plus 2y by k. What is 1? 1 is equal to x plus 2y by k. Substitute here. Minus y into 1 is x plus 2y by k. Minus 1 into 1 square. 1 is equal to what? X plus 2y by k. X plus 2y by k. Here we have square, so we take square is equal to 0. Okay, now take the simplification. That implies 2x square minus 2xy plus 3y square. Up to this is taken as this. Now this 2x is a transfer inside. 2x into x is plus is as is plus 2x into x is 2x square by divided by k is taken as this. Okay, plus into plus is plus 2x into 2y. 2 4 xy by denominator k is taken as this. Denominator k is taken as this. Minus this minus y is taken inside. Minus y into x, that is minus xy whole divided by k. Minus xy whole divided by k. Whole divided by k. Plus into minus is minus 2y into y, that is 2y square by k. Minus 1 into denominator k square divided by k square, take it as this, and numerator is in the form of a plus b whole square. What is a plus b whole square? A square is x square plus b square. B square is 2y whole square. 2y whole square can be written as 4y square. 2y whole square can be written as 4y square plus 2ab plus 2ab is 2 2s are 4. 4 into xy is 4xy. 4xy is equal to 0. Next, this is taken as is, no need of change. 2x square minus 2xy plus 3y square plus 2x square by k plus 4xy by k minus xy by k minus 2y square by k. 2y square by k. Up to this is taken as is directly, and this minus is a transfer inside. That is minus x square by here denominator we have k square. So x square by k square plus into minus is minus 4y square. 4y square by denominator we have k square, that is k square, plus into minus is minus 4xy by denominator is k square is equal to 0. Now this equation is ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, this equation can be written as first ax square plus bx plus c form. First x square terms. First I am underlining the first x square terms. This is x square. Here we have x square term and one more x square is here. Okay, from these take x square common. That implies becomes take x square common from this remaining is 2. Here also take x square common, remaining is coefficient of x square, that is 2 by k. So 2 plus 2 by k. Here also take x square common, remaining is minus 1 by x square. So minus 1 by x square. This is the x square coefficient. Okay, next, after that xy terms, I am taking the xy terms. This is the xy term. Here xy term. Here we have xy term, and in the last we have one more xy term. From this take xy common. That implies xy of, here xy coefficient is minus 2. Here xy coefficient is 4 by k plus 4 by k. Here xy coefficient is minus 1 by k. In the last xy coefficient is minus 4 by k square. Okay, this is the xy coefficient. Xy coefficient is minus 2. Here minus 2. This is the 4 by k, minus 1 by k, and minus 4 by k square are the xy coefficients. Next come to y square term. What are the y square terms here? Next take common from this y square off and round up the y square term. This is the one y square term. Here we have one y square term, and one more this is this. This is the y square term. From this take y square common. This is y square coefficient is here we have 3. This is the y square term. Y square coefficient is minus 2 by k. Here y square coefficient is minus 4 by k square. K square is equal to 0. So this is in the form of ax square plus 2hxy plus b by square equal to 0. So compare with this equation with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. Okay, here x square coefficient is a, here x square coefficient, this is the completely x square coefficient, so this is taken as a small a. Therefore small a is equal to x square coefficient, that is 2 plus 2 by k minus 1 by x square. A is equal to 2 plus 2 by k minus 1 by k square. This is the small a. And xy coefficient, here xy coefficient is 2h. In this equation xy coefficient, this is a completely xy coefficient. So this is taken as 2h. So therefore 2h is equal to minus 2 plus 4 by k minus 1 by k minus 4 by k square. This is the 2h. 2h means xy coefficient is 2h. In this equation xy coefficient is, this is the completely xy coefficient. After that, y square coefficient. What is the y square coefficient here? Here y square coefficient is b. In this equation, this is the y square coefficient. So we take b is equal to 3 minus 2 by k minus 4 by k square. So from this we get a, b and 2h values. Given that in this problem they are given, find the value of k if the lines joining the points are mutually perpendicular. This is the homogeneous equation. This equation is taken as 3. In this equation